Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Real quick, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want to say thank you to anybody who's found their way in here to check out the knife, the EDC content. I really appreciate it. If you're so inclined and you get the chance, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it will really help me out. I will really appreciate it. But if not, I'm just glad you're here. Doesn't cost anything to be here, and you are more than welcome. So I am getting into the Kaiser drop bear today in the attempt of swapping out some bearings. But first thing I noticed, and this is not uncommon, my clip screws tend to pick up rust at a rate faster, and this one clip screw just rusted and the other one didn't, which is odd. But there are ways to work around that and to try to keep it not as bad. So we'll go with that there. I'll use something else for that. And then just get a little off that aluminum. Use a little more. Alright, so we got our clip screws. We do have our other bit because I am not sure yet. Take out the body screw. Switch to a T8. And hopefully I'll get the right side. I think I did. I did. Alright, so there's our drop bear with our adjustable axis lock, which I am not going to fool with. But unfortunately, I'm going to have to take it off both sides to oh well, let's do this. I forgot how much fun axis locks are to disassemble, because now that we've got that out, we can slide this out, take that spring off, drop that right there. Alright, so now it's just a matter of, uh-oh, I got a T6 hanging tight, hanging back. Keep this one separate. Alright, so what we have now is, it looks like two complete Delrin bearings. I'm not mad at it. But they, alright. So, I want to check. They are 3/64. And it's 5mm. Alright, so I've got the right bearings, but the trick is keeping this captive pivot in, which, alright, before I do anything, I'm going to scale up. So I think I'm going to have to put that axis bar in at once. I'm going to take some KPL Original. I'm going to put a little drop there. Boom, 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 boom. Massage that in. Our blade still seems very clean. I'm not messing with it. Very tight tolerance, and I want to keep that locked in. I do not want that stop pin coming out with that spacer. Is this a deep shape? Nope. Okay. Couple more drops. A little lube on my Skiffy. And now comes the fun part. Alright, so I need to take this through here. Try to get that in there. Like so. And now just don't want that stop pin. Okay, that is D-shaped. So that needs to go in like that. Okay. Stop pin. All right. Now, the trick is going to be to keep this fucking pivot in for one. All right. Pivot's in. I need this side of the spring. Whoops. Like that. And then I'm going to pop this out. Push that through. Clip that on. Knew that was going to happen. But what I can do is get my lock seated in there. All right, now I want to reseat my pivot. with the square going back. Just like that. Bada bing. Bada boom. Man, this is proving to be a pain in the ass. Not something I wanted to be doing at this hour, but we will fucking persevere, because that's how we roll. Alright, so I'm going to try to steal this stop pin. Pop it right in there. Take this other bearing, pop it right in there. And then I am going to slide that. Well, I'm going to pop that off. Much as I hate to. Slide that through there. We're not even close yet. And we have got pivot problems. So I'm going to take that off. Take that off. I don't have that side hooked in anymore. Alright, this is a bitch. This is an absolute pain in the ass. And I rarely say that. And what's fucking me up is not knowing what the status is on my axis springs. Were they hooked on the inside? I think they were hooked on the outside, which would mean try this. Whoops. God damn it. Alright, I'm about to quit. Tell this just to fuck off. I'm done with it. I'll do it again tomorrow. I will kill this tape. And we will just rejoin it. Rejoin it where we left off. We're going to give it one last chance. I don't want the second. I want the fucking first. Like I had it right there. Now, I need this. That just came out. Alright, this is about done. I'm about at my wit's fucking end. This shit just falls the fuck out. Alright, last attempt. Then I am donezo. God damn it. Alright, I'm done. So see guys, that's like a half edit. My standoff went flying on the ground after like the 6th fail of getting my axis lock set up, or my bar style locks. I've got it now, absolutely perfect. Just had to take a few minutes with it off camera. Had to get my bar locks set up inside there. Then I had one scale, I just had to get it down. Skiff bearings are great, very snappy, fantastic. It will be a struggle bus video because this absolutely was a struggle bus. That was a meltdown, probably my closest to a non-compete or non-complete. But I found the standoff. This is about 5 minutes after I shut her down. We're back. It's good. Guys, thanks for putting up with my temper tantrums. Thanks for putting up with my struggle. And realize the lesson that we learned today, that we take away from this: persistence overcomes resistance. And careful planning and paying the fuck attention to what you're doing will save you the time of having to do that. So guys, keep moving forward. Keep taking apart your knives. Enjoy the hobby. Enjoy each other. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. Also, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.